Let us learn the illustration. Prove that two triangles, triangle XYZ, XYZ, this one, and a triangle LMN, LMN are similar when the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so we have to prove the triangles are similar. When this corresponding angles are equal, then we have to prove the triangles are similar. So from the figure, first one angle is angle X is equal to angle L is equal to first one, then angle 2, that is angle Y is equal to second one, angle M equal to angle 2, and what is the third angle is Z is equal to here angle N equal to 3. Okay, so three angles are equal, therefore which criteria we can use? By AA criteria. Okay, only double A it is enough. We used three sides, but no need to write all the we have only double A criteria. So using double A criteria, we can say the triangles are similar. Understood? Therefore, by AA criterion of similarity, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. Okay. Now we can continue. Example 4.1. Show that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. PQR and PST. This name given inside the triangle PQR. PST. Okay, so PQR and PST. Understood? Our question is to prove these two triangles are similar. So we can check the sides. What about PQ side? PQ, it is PS plus SQ, that is 2 plus 1. What about PS side? It is 2. Okay, we can find out the ratio like the same. Here PT side is given, PT equal to 4 and TR equal to 2. So totally PR is equal to 4 plus 2. So using this measures, we can find out the sides ratios. If the ratios are equal, we can say the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. In the question they given triangle PST similar to triangle PQR. So we have to consider in the same order, consider triangle PST and triangle PQR. Also the ratios you take in the same order. PST triangle you consider in the numerator and PQR triangle ratio where sides you consider in the denominator. Okay. What about the side? This PS, here you see how to take the corresponding side PS, PQ. Okay. Then last, this is here PT, first and last, then PR. Okay, don't take in any other order. How it is given in the same order we have to choose. Okay, so we can write now the corresponding ratios. PS divided by PQ. What is the value? PS is 2 divided by PQ is 2 plus 1. That is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, the next given side is PT and TR or PR. This way you can consider. So PT, it is PT from the triangle PST, small triangle, then divided by the corresponding side is PR. PT value 4 divided by PR value, it is 4 plus 2. That is 4 divided by 6. We can reduce this using the 2 table. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So you will get it is also equal to 2 by 3. So the corresponding sides are proportional, and you know the angle P is common. Okay, P is the common angle. So the values are equal. We can say using side angle side criteria, the triangles are similar. Okay, first in the triangle PQ, R, PQ side is PQ side, then angle P, then PR. So side, angle, side. In the triangle PST, PS, angle P and PT side. Okay. So side, angle, side criteria, we can say the triangles are similar. With this result, we can write, therefore, PS divided by PQ equal to PT divided by PR. So corresponding sides are equal and angle P is common. Common means same. There is no change in the angle. No need to check. That's the meaning of common. Therefore, by SAS criterion of similarity, triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. So first question over. Next we have to do the second question. Now we can say do the second question. See the triangle PQR PST. Here also you need to prove triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. Same question. Now you see PS divided by PQ. What is the value? 2 divided by 3. Like the same PT divided by PR, that is also 2 divided by 3. Okay, here this value is wrong. So PQ value is not 3, PS plus SQ. So 2 plus 3 it is 5. Here also PT value 2, but TR value only 3 and PR value is 2 plus 3. Okay, so the ratio you will get 2 divided by 2 plus 3, 5. Here also 2 divided by 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 by 5 for both ratios. So the ratios are equal. Like the same of the previous question, this angle P is common. So we can say the triangles are similar by the result criterion SAS. Okay, can you do? Now listen for the example 4.2 is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is the side length AB equal to 6 and BC equal to 10. Here angle B is 90 given. Okay, not given, but from the diagram we can see like that. So corresponding side you consider that way. Then PQ side is 3 and QR is 4. Okay, now we first of all we can check the sides are proportional or not. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, how it is given in the same order you consider for the solution also. Okay, so this triangle ABC, AB divided by PQ, what is the value? AB value is 6 divided by PQ value 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. Then what about the next ratio? Here QR is given and BC is given and BC divided by QR. So BC value 10 divided by QR value 4. You can reduce this using 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. So you will get 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 means it is 2.5. Okay, so that is not equal to 2. Am I correct? This 2.5 is not equal to 2. So we can say, therefore, AB divided by PQ is not equal to BC divided by QR. So the corresponding sides are not proportional. Okay, therefore, the corresponding sides are not proportional. If the sides are proportional, we can think about angle. Since it is not proportional, you don't think about the angle. We can write the answer directly. The triangles are not similar. Okay, so answer, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Next we can continue example 4.3. Find angle P. The diagrams are this. Okay, angle A equal to is 90 degree, B is 60 degree, then angle P R is 90 degree, but they ask the angle P. Okay, here they given the side length AB 3 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, the AC equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. Like the same, PR equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, PQ is 12 centimeter, and QR is 6 centimeter. From this all the details, we need to find out angle P. Okay. So watch the measures of the triangle. Angle A 90, angle R 90. Okay, so from angle A we can start AB. Okay, these three measures 3 centimeter, 3 root 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter is smallest side. Since A is 90 degree, we know BC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so here angle A, from A vertex we are starting to the and we are considering the smallest side. So AB is the smallest side. Like the same, here R is the 90 degree, so PQ is the hypotenuse. Then in this three measure 6 root 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 6 is the smallest side, so RQ is the corresponding side of AB. Okay, so AB, then third vertex C. Understood? Like the same RQP. That order only we can consider the triangle. You should not consider PQR. In any one of the order, you have to consider correctly for the similar triangle. So from the 90 degree vertex we start A, then we are taking the first side as the smallest side AB. So AB, the third vertex C. Like the same here also 90 degree vertex is R, smallest side is RQ, so RQP. Are you clear? Okay, right. Consider triangle ABC and triangle RQP. Okay, now we can find out the corresponding ratios. Now AB divided by RQ, what is the value? AB divided by RQ is equal to 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. Okay, next one, next ratio we can choose from the this hypotenuse BC divided by PQ, that is 6 divided by 12, that is also equal to, we can reduce this 1 3 is 3, 2 3 are 12, this is 1 6 6 6, 2 6 are 12. Thus we can write it as 1 by 2. Then third ratio, it is AC divided by here A vertex, so this is RP is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 6 root 3. Okay, so root 3 you can cancel, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, so you will get 1 by 2. Okay, so all the corresponding sides ratios are equal, that means corresponding sides are proportional. Now we are considering three sides, so we can say using the SSS, that means triple S criterion for similarity, the triangles are similar. Okay, we will get the triangles are similar. Then since the triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so first write the similarity. Therefore, AB divided by RQ equal to BC divided by PQ equal to AC divided by RP, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, by SSS criterion of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. Okay, the triangles are similar, so we can say the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, the corresponding angles are equal. Then we studied from the note, okay, last note before the illustration we studied if the triangles are similar, the that are equiangular, the angles are equiangular, they are equiangular, we studied. Using that only we written the angles are equal. Therefore, angle P, angle A equal to angle R, that is 90 degree we know. Angle A is equal to angle R, that is equal to 90 degree given. Next, A, B, like that, there B, P, R, Q. So, angle B is equal to angle Q, and that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, B angle is 60 degree. So, Q angle is also equal to 60 degree. And we need the P angle, and angle C is equal to angle P. So how to find out the third angle? Two angles you know. How to find out the third angle? Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So using that you can find out the third angle. For finding the angle P, you consider this is equation number 1. Since angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, okay, equal to 180 degree, this is 90 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree, okay, which implies 90 plus 60 is 150, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, which implies what is the angle C value? Angle C is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so using the first equation we can write angle P is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, therefore by 1 angle P is equal to 30 degree. So answer you can write, in the question they asked to find out angle P. So angle P is equal to 30 degree. Are you all clear?